everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, we will talk about how to get rid of hair fall. Hair fall is a very complicated issue. Mostly it's visible in teenagers and adults because pollution, hair cut thinning, dandruff hona, dry or रूखे सूखे बाल होना, there are a lot of factors that can cause hair fall. And what can be the solution? Taking good care of your hair and the scalp is what is actually required to get rid of hair fall. Sometimes there are issues like dry and dead skin cell in the scalp that actually causes hair fall. Sometimes the hair can be seen thinning over a period of time, which leads to hair fall. The age-old remedy to get rid of hair fall is onion, especially red onion. And onions are such ingredients जिनको अगर आप DIY में use करने जाएंगे, they have such pungent smell. It's so complicated to use and then to leave it on scalp and then to sleep. So let's make it easy. We will use red onion today because this is something that can help you boost this hair growth and also reduce the hair fall. If you have extreme levels of hair fall, then the easiest remedy can be using red onion juice on your hair. But applying onion juice on your hair and making it and then storing it, refrigerating it and applying it and then sleeping overnight with it is a really difficult thing to do because उसके साथ pungent smell जुड़ा हुआ होता है और आपके घर से एक बहुत ही pungent सा smell आने लगता है. Your bed cover, your pillow cover start smelling, you start smelling. So let's avoid all of these and let's use a hair care routine that's much simplified but contains the goodness of onion. Here I am introducing Wow Skin Science Onion Black Seed Hair Oil. This comes with the goodness of red onions and black seeds. And that's why this is extremely good for people, those who are facing a lot of hair fall issues. अगर आपके बाल झड़ रहे हैं and if you have thinning issue, this works on the roots and makes your hair visibly stronger over a period of time. 2 दिन में कुछ नहीं होने वाला. You have to use this for a prolonged period of time to see visible results. Now let me talk about the entire range. Wow Skin Science doesn't have only a hair oil in this range, but they also have a shampoo and a conditioner. Why that is important is because if you're using a conditioner that's very runny or very thin in consistency, then most probably you will not get much benefit out of that conditioner. So keeping that in mind, they have an entire range which is dedicated to hair fall control. And that is called Wow Skin Science Onion and Black Seed Hair Range. And you can get a hair oil, a shampoo and a conditioner in the range. This is Wow Skin Science Red Onion and Black Seed Hair Oil. It is extremely beneficial for hair loss and hair thinning issues. It improves the natural health of the hair and the scalp by making the hair roots stronger. I apply it 3 times a week and leave it overnight. And in the morning, I wash my hair with Wow Skin Science Onion Black Seed Shampoo. This shampoo is extremely mild and gentle and doesn't contain a lot of harmful chemicals that can ruin your hair in the longer run. For hair fall related issues, it is very important to use a shampoo that is not too drying. Coming to the conditioner, I use Wow Skin Science Onion Black Seed Conditioner because it is a very thick formulation that is extremely good for dry and rough hair. It has the goodness of red onions and black seed. It moisturizes the scalp and the hair follicles and the hair ends, which makes the hair extremely good in terms of hair health in the longer run. Now for Wow's Green Hand Initiative, you'll receive a seed pouch every time you purchase something. So that's it for today's video. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. I'm going to link all these products in the description box along with my coupon code so that it's easier for you to purchase them with a discounted price. And other than that, make sure you hit on that like button and you subscribe if you are not yet subscribed. आगे लिख के बताइए what all you wanna see next. Bye bye. Take care of yourself. Be well naturally.